Hey y'all, Jason McKenna here with 603 Motorsports, and we're proud to announce to you we're bringing a new business to the state of New Hampshire. It's called Pro Rider Wolfboro. That's right, Pro Rider Wolfboro. It's an advanced motorcycle skills course, and it's a phenomenal course. We're running a Christmas special. That's right, we're running a Christmas special for everyone that's out there until the 24th on midnight. So today being the 14th, that gives us maybe 10 more days, and you're probably panicking, what in the hell do I do, and what do I get that person who has the love of a motorcycle in their life? Well, hey, listen, if you hop on ProRider603.com or ProRiderWolfboro.com today, check it on out. It will tell you all about the course, but we also have the Christmas special in there for you. You purchase the digital download videos for $47. We'll give you $50 off the price of the course. That's $50 off the price of the course. Essentially what you're getting is the free digital videos. At least this way you have something this winter to go ahead and check out, take a look at, and help prepare yourself for this spring's courses. The courses are going to be, or the locations will be, we're working on 3 of them at this time. We're hoping that we can do something in Acton for you. We're going to do something in Wolfboro for you, and we're going to try and do something over in the Laconia, Meredith area for you as well. The courses will be happening on weekends throughout the spring and the summer and the fall. So there'll be plenty of time to book that class when that time comes. Why would you take this class? Well, man, I don't know. I got to tell you, one of the things that I enjoy doing more than anything else is taking this beautiful machine out for a ride. And one of my best rides that I enjoy doing is I like to go down to North Carolina, to the Smoky Mountains area. You know, if you can ride Devil's Triangle, Back of the Dragon, or Tail of the Dragon, Route 66, Moonshiners 28, you name it, there's tons of them out there. This course is a course that will help prepare you for those rides. Without a doubt, you'll be riding with ease while all your friends are struggling. I'm going to tell you, if you get a chance, please just come on out, take a look at ProRider603.com or ProRiderWolfboro.com and check it on out what we have to offer for our skill program. We'd love to have you come on down and take the course. Don't forget, the deal ends midnight on December 24th, so you've got 10 days left. So if you're looking for that special something for that special somebody, this is the course for them. Thank you all, and I hope to see you out there. Be safe on the 2 wheels.